Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use silica gel in a water bottle. First, ensure your bottle is completely clean and dry. Silica gel works by absorbing moisture, which helps prevent unpleasant odors and the growth of mold inside your bottle. This simple step keeps your bottle fresh and hygienic for longer, making it a great habit for daily use. Remember to only use food-grade packets. Once your bottle is dry, carefully place 1 or 2 small, unopened silica gel packets inside. The number depends on your bottle's size. A standard bottle usually needs 1. Make sure the packets are not in the way when you drink. It is crucial to keep the packets intact, as the gel beads should not come into direct contact with water or be ingested. To maintain effectiveness, replace your silica gel packets every few weeks, or when they feel saturated. You can also recharge them by baking them on a baking sheet at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 to 2 hours. This process removes the absorbed moisture, allowing you to reuse the packets multiple times, which is both economical and environmentally friendly. While silica gel is generally safe when used correctly, it is important to keep packets away from children and pets to prevent accidental ingestion. Always remember that silica gel is not food and should never be consumed. For more great tips and deals, including how to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the links in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.